Secretary, Alfan and our Commander, who graciously invited me to join them as their advisor. And here we are today commemorating the first ever MEGHALAYA Farmers Day on this farm. My father, Bremley Lyngdoh, was one of the Hill State champions. He was the leader of the young people back in the 1960s when they started the Hill State movement. And he was involved in mobilizing young people and farmers and volunteers from across our Hill State to fight for our Hill State, our own autonomous state. And when we got our Hill State in 1970, he was in the first, he was an MLA from MEGHALAYA, and in the Legislative Assembly of March 25th, 1971, he made a long deliberation of training our young people, sending them to other states like Punjab, Maharashtra, Haryana, UP, and to bring in the equipment like tractors and machinery to help our farmers stand in their own feet. And that was back in 1971. And those policies that he was pushing back then, before we even got our full-fledged state, still apply to us today. His dream was to create this space for farmers, for young people, to train them, to make them sustainable. And he said, son, there's a spring here and it's in a valley, so this place will be called Spring Valley Farm. So that's the relevance of Spring Valley Farm. And I'm very happy that this will be the home of the Hill Farmers Union, where we will host experts from other countries or other states who will train our farmers in this plot of land, which is about 2.5 acres, and will be part of the Hill Farmers Union project, where we will put piggery and poultry intercropping with fruit trees and veggies, with the thin ring circle. This is the Maupat circle here. And then we also have another project in Mauyong, near the PTS training school, which is about 50 acres, and we want to do a ranch there and do milk production and train farmers who want to put cows for milk. So back in 1987, when we had big problems here, a lot of people ran away without their cows, and my dad became a cowboy in 1987. And I had to go milk the cows every morning and distribute milk in my locality. That's how I got my pocket money from class 7 to class 12 till PU. So I know how much it takes to be, to take care of cows and cattle and produce milk. Parliament right now with thousands of farmers from all over the state. But we can't do that now because of COVID-19, and we have to follow the protocols, and hence we're just celebrating in all the different districts.